Welcome back everybody to the San Joaquin News Network channel. Today's your host Nate Gates 182 coming at you guys with another educational video. This particular video is brought to you guys from this channel named Wilkie Way. You guys are not going to believe it. Check it out. Make sure you guys leave your comments down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
I'm sorry, what was that called again where you can just walk in my house?
Case law.
Case law?
R
versus Godoy. So that is where you can walk in someone's house without their permission for any reason or
There's
warrant.
a 911 call.
Yeah.
I need to make sure that everybody is safe, okay?
R versus Godoy. Why don't we talk about this one for a moment? This is a Supreme Court case law of Canada, almost legally giving the right to police authority to enter a private residence without an issued warrant. This was a case law that was passed in 1999 after a 1992 incident with police and a man named Vincent Godoy, who was arrested after the police found out he had assaulted a woman. In a sense, this officer was right about this case law, but also states the officers must have reasonable and probable grounds in order to enter. Keep watching, guys.
Yeah, and you saw everybody at the door, and we told
and
you.
I'm not coming in
Yeah, but you just told me that you could walk in anyways without, even though everybody's fine, you see everybody, no warrant, no arrest, and you can just walk in.
Yep.
That's illegal, against charter rights of Canada.
Search R versus Godoy.
Oh, I will, and I'm sending this to my lawyer because I do have a lawyer for incidents like this. It's called audit, just so you know, audit of the OPP in Canada. Okay. Now, there's all our kids, me and my wife, my dog. So. That's fine.
All we're here to do is just make sure everybody's safe.
And we already told you that, and then you said that you could just walk in my house. So, I'm going to enforce charter rights. But thank you, all the kids are fine.
Okay, have a good day.
You as well. What's your name and badge number?
PC Tickner, badge 15723.
Perfect, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Do you guys see where this case law could go wrong under the scope of police authority? Luckily, we have nothing like that here in America, but this goes to show that no matter where you are in the world, law enforcement can be corrupt. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below. Of course, don't forget to go to the original video and let them know I sent you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next one.